Okay guys, coming to the next graphs of the trigonometry functions. As we're already known all these things from the first year. So this is going to be your sine graph. Ray domain is going to be minus infinity to plus infinity, range from -1 to +1, and sine 0 0, sine pi by 2 1, sine pi 0, sine 3 pi by 2 -1, sine 2 pi uh, sine 2 pi 0. So joining of all these points, we will get the curve in this manner. And drawing a line, we are going to check whether inverse is existing or not. To get the inverse, it must be required f should be 1 1 and as well as onto. So drawing a line here, drawing a line drawing a line parallel to x-axis. So understand here, so drawing a line parallel to x-axis, in how many places it is intersecting? 1 2 3 4 5 and so many places it is going to intersect. Then f is not 1 1 in the total real number system. So for the same reason, we are restricting it, restricting the domain for the range for the for the particular place minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Then this will be your graph. So from here to here, so this will be your graph. From here to here, this will be your graph of the sine. And from here to here, if I draw a line, so drawing a line will intersect in only one place. Is intersecting in only one place, then is intersecting in only one place, and at the same time whether sine is going to be onto or not. For each and every value of y, we are getting one value of the x here. So f is going to be 1 1 and as well as onto here. And what is the domain we restricted? We restricted the domain to the place minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. And coming to the inverse, then inverse time, coming to the inverse time, domain will become range and range will become the domain. So see the sine inverse here. So this is your graph. Domain is -1 to +1. It is a range of the sine, and the range will become minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. It is the restricted domain of sine. So we write here minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 is restricted domain of sine. It is a restricted domain of sine. So that's why -1 to +1 here, and minus pi by 2 0 pi by 2. Sine, generally sine pi by 2 is nothing but 1. So make pi by 2 time, make 1 time, it is pi by 2. Sine 0 is 0 as usual. Sine minus pi by 2 will become -1. So joining of all this from here, joining of all this from here, then this is going to be your graph. And extending it for the other domains, 5 by 2 to 3 pi by 2, it also can be taken. So from here to here it will become, and from here to here it will become, and so on. As we make it as minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, and we consider it as principal value branch. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is considered as principal value branch. It is very important to understand why we are taking minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2 only. Coming to the next graph, here. So see here how the cos is taken. As we're already known, cos domain and ranges are going to be, cos domain is going to be r, and the range is from -1 to +1. Cos 0 1 0 to 1, cos pi by 2 it is 0, cos pi -1, cos 3 pi by 2 0, cos 2 pi +1. So joining of the graph this way. Now we need to see same way what we observed here. So drawing a line parallel to x-axis, it is also intersecting in more than one place. Then we should restrict the domain here. So this is the restricted domain, 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi, and so on. So in this case, so this will be your uh, range of the graph. So from here to here it is. Then drawing a line from here to here at the pi, then it is intersecting in only one place. Then f is 1 1, and corresponding to each value of y, we are getting one value of x here. Then cos is going to be 1 1, and as well as onto in cos is going to be 1 1, and as well as onto in the particular domains 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi, 2 pi to 3 pi, and so on. So we must consider 0 to pi as the principal value branch. Now you see the graph. Now see the graph once. Now the domain and ranges will be interchangeable. So domain is going to be -1 to +1. Range is going to be 0 to pi. So we consider it as principal value branch domain. Now -1 to +1 should be taken on x-axis, and 0 to pi should be taken here. Cos, how it is taken, cos pi is equals to -1, so -1 time it is minus pi. Cos 0 is cos pi by 2 is 0, so pi by 2 time you make it as 0, and 1 time cos 0 it is 1. So this way we make. These are the points we joining of all this. This is the main graph of the cos inverse, and extending it for the other domains, and it can be taken minus pi to 0, minus 2 pi to 2 pi, minus pi. So extending it in this manner, and extending it for the upper also in this way it will. So these two are different. Okay, so this is the main graph of the cos inverse. Now same way we'll see the other tan. We'll generally see what are the main things from the graph. We'll just try to understand what are the main things which are covering here. Tan